We're a volunteer student-ran organization. We work basically when the health center's closed, so 5 p.m. through 8 a.m., and that's every day, including the weekends too. We also do events, which are really fun, so you'll see us at like Lollapalooza. We also work special games this weekend. That one we had, I believe, just one crew, and then they just kind of like switched off throughout the day.
Most of our EMTs are either like pre-med, like want to be a doctor. We have also people who want to be PAs. That's what I personally want to do, be a physician assistant. EMS is a great way to kind of start doing patient care and kind of start exploring your passion for like helping people, also within our own community here.
So our shifts start at 5 p.m. exactly until 8 a.m. We'll meet at our apartment at Hannon. It's like anytime someone has to work, you just stay there overnight. Come together here to public safety at 5 p.m. Check in with them, get like our pagers, our radios checked. We'll come out here and we'll do like a gear check just to make sure we have everything. And then from there, it's kind of like you're on your own, you can stay together, do whatever until we get a call. We'll work really close to public safety, so they'll like page us and then our like alarm goes off. We'll like radio in and then they'll tell us like where the location of the call, like where to be. We'll just kind of go from there. We'll go on a call, do our assessment or whatever's needed.
So we have 3 different ranks. We have the rookies who usually like take the vitals on the call. The veteran training usually like ask the patients like all the pertinent questions and everything, and then the veteran who kind of like supervises the call they make the transport decision also. So as a rookie, you would be working like 1 to 2 times a cycle. VITs like 2 to 3 times. And then veterans like 3 to 4 times a cycle.
And then we'll come back and we'll write a report together because we also have to report to our medical director.
Even though like some calls can be taxing sometimes, I can always bounce back, and I don't see it really affecting my work because I kind of work my schedule around EMS, and I work it so that I have time for this and have time to like be a good EMT while also being a good student.
Being an EMT is definitely a time commitment, but it's one that I really enjoy and I'm so grateful to be a part of. Like serving my LMU community, being there for people's vulnerable moments, I think is something that is a privilege, and being able to like help people out and kind of like make a difference in like the small ways that we can as EMTs is something that's like really fulfilling.
It makes me like a much like happier student, I would say, being able to give back to my community and give back to like my fellow students.
Honestly, this is probably the best experience I've ever had. Like by far, I mean, I love doing it. I know so many of us just love doing what we do.
All my fellow EMTs are great people and they're just really fun to be around. Like even if I had a long day, it's so fun to come and be on shift with them and kind of, I don't know, give back in the way I can.